Hello, in this video we are going to look at the standard stream, and most languages have some sort of support for just some standard input output where the user's program can take input from keyboard and then produce an output on screen. If you are familiar with C++, then you'll know about like the standard namespace in C++, the standard input and the standard outputs, the sort of like C in and C out. And Java has very similar stuff to that as well. So first thing that you want to do is do an import. So import java.io ** semicolon like so, and we are gonna throw an IO exception. This is just required to use functionality. Okay, so you would usually wrap this in some sort of try catch block. So feel free to check out the exception part of this series. For now, we'll just do it without it. So we're gonna do input stream reader, and we'll call it in equals null. And now we're going to do in equals new input stream reader, and you just do system.in like so. And now what we're going to do is just do a system out, so system.out.print, and we are going to say that enter characters, and we'll say E for exits, and we need to get the character, so char character, I call it ch, why not ch, and we're going to do a do while loop. And the reason we're doing a do while loop instead of like a while loop, for example, is we want to get the input at least once, and if that input happens to be E, then we would exit out of it. So in here the condition is going to be ch not equal to E, because if it's not equal to E, we'll continue doing this. And what we're doing here, we will do ch, and we're going to cast the input that we get. So even if it's, let's say we input a number, we'll still want to cast it. So we're going to do ch equals cin.read like so, and we're just going to print it out so you can just see what we're actually printing. System.println, and we'll do ch, and this is meant to be in. So and finally we just need to close our stream, so we're just going to do in.close like so. And you would only do this if in is not equal to null, otherwise it wasn't created for whatever reason, or it's already been closed. It's a good check to do, like so. And now let's run it, see what we get. So it says enter character, so if I type in E, it's exited. It won't let us put anything else in. If I run it again, however, and I'll type in R, I can type in R again. I'll type in U, I can type in U, I can type in 6, and there we go. So that is it for getting input from the screen, for outputting to the console, obviously, as well. So this is using the standard stream. There are obviously other ways to get input from the user via the console, which we've covered, but this is just sort of part of the file stream section. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and I look forward to seeing you in the next awesome video.